So I searched YouTube trying to find a video on how to replace the aerial assembly on my Landcruiser, my big 105, but couldn't find one, so thought I'd talk you through what I did, how I did it, and that way someone else can get a look at what it looks like. So I won't show you taking the wheel off or underguard or anything like that. It's pretty easy. Just all the little clips up on here, a few screws, clips that run up all through in here. So there's the new aerial assembly in. Only thing you need to do is remove this bolt here. That's it. And take the aerial cap off. So take this little nut off. You just pull this thing off. That's the old unit just there, as you can see. So this top part, just unscrew it off. Pretty easy. Then a little plastic part comes off, exposes all that. So that's a little plastic part just up there. So once you've got those bits off and undone that bolt there, you got this wire running through here to this lug. Just pull the little lug out. You can't pull the wire out, you've just got to take the rubber lug, pull that out. That follows around into the car. So you just got to take the plastic surround off, which is off here where the computer side is. So as you can see, this little cord here, which is clipped into there with this plastic clip, this just pulls out of there. So feed the new wire through, it'll come through in here, and just push it back into there once it's done. But you can pull all the old aerial assembly out. Once you've pulled that off, it'll all just pull straight through. Pretty simple. Once you've done that, get the old one out. Get the new one with the plastic bits off the top and the little screw thing off the top of it, which is, you know, these little bits here. Slide your new motor up inside there. Forgot to say, you got to take this little clip off. There's a little push clip at the back just here which pulls off. It's pretty simple. That all just comes out and won't go. So get it all out, slide the new one up. Master just goes up there, sits up there. Put your bolt back in, put your clip back on, make sure your new wire's going through there, or your new cable to your aerial through there, getting ready to clip it up. Once that's clipped back up, get that bolt screwed up. Get this little plastic piece, push it down as far as you can, and then just screw that little piece back on. That's how simple it is. And mine wasn't working before, the motor was knackered, you could hear it running. So there's your aerial switch. I'll just turn this thing on, show you. There's the aerial over there, she's popped up. Just pop the switch and away she goes. That's how easy it is. So if you need to do it, now you know.